Hi there, I'm Lindsay. I'm the designer and maker behind Stylecamp, and today I'm going to talk you through 5 of my favourite Stylecamp pieces that I'm planning to take on holiday with me. So for me, going away on holiday is a bit of a special occasion, and I definitely like to pack my best favourite pieces, kind of something that we've always done, especially me and my mum. We like to change our outfits as much as possible. It's all about kind of feeling the sun on your skin and just showing off your body a little bit and feeling good, which is kind of what I try to achieve with all the Stylecamp pieces that I make. We're off to Portugal in a week's time, which I'm very excited about. We're going to some new places for me. We're off to Porto, and we're going to do a bit of exploring down to a little place called Aveiro, which is considered to be the Venice of Portugal, and then a little detour up to the Douro region, go and see where all the port's made, and then we're going to end up down in the Algarve with my family. So really looking forward to it, expecting a lot of sunshine, hopefully, fingers crossed. So this is kind of what I had in mind for the trip. So first up on my list is absolutely got to be a jumpsuit. This is the Marlena jumpsuit, and this particular print is the graphic monochrome stripe, which is very striking. I particularly favourite for at the airport, really, being on the plane, because it's so comfortable and versatile to wear. Keeps you warm on the plane, and then it's the perfect glamorous statement for stepping off and starting your holiday. Next up, what do we think about when we go on holiday? We're thinking about what we're wearing to the beach. So for me, without a doubt, it's got to be my little Ava two-piece set. This is such a versatile little number. You can wear them with different pieces individually, or you can wear them together as a complete set. It's great for throwing over your bikini. It's got a lovely little keyhole detail at the back as well, so it's really unusual and striking and different to look at. Okay, and you've also got these lovely high-waisted culottes. They've got such a lovely little girlish flair to them, which is really nice to wear, and obviously shorts are like brilliant for holiday. And these also benefit from some really cool, really deep pockets, which is always really handy. You can get all your cash and your bits and bobs for the beach there. Okay, now every good holiday wardrobe needs a really good sundress, so at Stylecamp I've got loads of them, but my particular favourite at the moment is this classic Nanette dress. It's got really lovely, beautiful, deep scoop styling on the front and the back neck, and then it's got this really lovely, pretty split sleeve detail with a little bow. This is great for just sort of wandering around the city, exploring, taking pictures. It just makes you feel a little bit more glamorous for the occasion, while still remaining quite casual and fun to wear, especially with this bright colour pop of pink, which is reminds me of all that sort of bougainvillea that you get on holiday. Right, next up we've got the crop top. I like to take maybe a couple of colours of these away. They're just great for, you know, everyday wear really. They also benefit from a little lining that they've got inside, so they're really comfortable to wear. And of course they're so versatile. You could wear them with its matching skirt. I've got like skater skirts or pencil skirts available, but that's also a great all-in-white outfit that you really want on holiday when you just want to show off your tan. But you can also just mix and match it with other things in your wardrobe, just have a little bit of fun with pattern, like these wild tropical trousers that I've got here. Yeah, it's just basically a good all-round piece to take away with you. Okay, and last up we've got something special for the evening. Obviously you're probably going to go out for cocktails or eat an evening meal or any sort of thing while you're away, and this is a great little number for a night out as a little black dress. This is Ginger. She's got a lovely little flouncy neckline frill, and again this lovely skater skirt, which is just great for sort of swishing and maybe dancing the night away if that's your night out.